Hello, guys. Welcome back to Punta Trades. Hope y'all had a great weekend and a great day today, Labor Day. All of you to stay here in the States. Hope you enjoyed it. We are here in Georgia. It was a little rainy today, so we didn't get to do much outside, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. We're going to do a small recap on SPY and QQQ for the upcoming week. Alrighty, let's take a look here what happened. What we think is going to happen. We did have a bounce all the way from 375, that's on the SPY. 375 all the way to 431, which is touched the 200 moving average and got rejected. Rejected on the 200 moving average and started crawling all the way down, and then we have a downtrend from here. We got all the way to 411, had a little bounce, a big rejection on the 20, all the way down to the 50 moving average. He did cross the 50 moving average. He tried to break it on Friday, but he got rejected again, and we have a red candle here. So what's going to happen next week? As far as the charts and what we can see, we're going to continue with the downtrend. That's really, we got to see. Again, the market was closed today. So this candle is from Friday. So we look at the ES Mini on TradingView. And this is this candle from today. That's basically the futures. The futures work today. So as you can see, we did climb up a little bit. And we got rejected here at the highs. Right here. And we got a kind of doji candle. Which don't tell us much for today, but it didn't have a lot of volume today on Labor Day. But he got rejected first on the 200 moving average. Then he got rejected again on the 20 moving average. And then we got rejected again on the 50 moving average. So which indicates a pretty strong downtrend momentum that we think gonna happen. Really, we just gotta watch it. I don't have any swing positions right now. No swing positions open at all. We really gotta see how the market gonna react this week. But if we're gonna keep going down and break down with the downtrend momentum from here, from this area of 390, well, the next level gonna be around 380. If we can get to 380, it's a 10-point move. And if we're gonna break 380, I think we might see 370, 371 around that area for before we're gonna see any bounce. And we don't know, how strong the bounce is gonna be. But if not that, we can go to 360 and break downside, which is gonna be really, really bad. We do have a support right at 355 area. We're gonna have a support here. September 2020 and November. It touched one time on September 2020 and October 2020 and November 2020. So it might get to this level right here even before you'll have a bounce. This is the other level. So we might drop 40 points, or we might have a little support on 380 and then bounce a little bit. But as far as everything looks a downside. We do have the stochastic to show us that we really oversold. So it's really hard to tell. And again, we might or we might not, but it does look that have some more room to go down. Just not financial advice, just what we can see on the charts. Let's look at the Qs really quick. The Qs looks kind of the same, similar to the SPY. We can see that we have a little bit more to go. We're at 295 right now. We have an area of support. It might be about 289 or so. We might have a bounce soon, or we can go down to 278 area, 280 area, around that area before we can see a bounce, or we can drop again. Really depends what the SPY also going to do, all the way to 270. So it's what the chart's telling us, that all the moving averages now is above the candles. Usually it's indicates on a downtrend. The 9 EMA right here, either you're going to continue down. If you continue down, then we'll see a strong downtrend, or you'll kind of range around this area right here, and then you're gonna have a little bit of an up momentum on that. Then it indicates a kind of a bounce that's going to happen in the market. So we really need to be careful and watch what's going to happen next week to really see where it goes. But if it goes to the downside, we'll have at least 10 points till we see a support area. If we break that, 20 points, or even you don't know where we're going to stop. There's some support areas, but again, it looks like a downtrend momentum right here, and we got to watch next week to see what's going to happen. Again, not financial advice, but I think it's going to be a pretty interesting week this tomorrow when the market is open. So trade carefully, really watch what's going to happen. Try to take lower sizing positions, because in this market you really don't want to get chopped out. And I hope I help you to see the market a little bit, and maybe get you a little bit more understanding on where we can go from here. I'll see you guys in the next video. I just wanted to show you a small recap of what's going to happen this week potentially. Thank you.